Do you know how to say help in French? Well, in this video, I give you 21 really useful and practical French expressions should you see or be the victim of an incident or accident. Let's have a look at a few useful sentences should you be in a terrible situation or, needed to help somebody. So, help is au secours. Au secours is help. Au secours, au secours. Now, if you wanted to call the police, you would say police, secours, or just police. No. Allô, police, secours? Je vous appelle pour signaler une collision entre deux véhicules place de la Concorde. Now, you're going to tell me maybe I wouldn't say all of that, but police, secours, collision is a collision. Okay. Hello, police emergency service. I am calling to report a collision between two vehicles on a place de la Concorde. Now, what you have to understand is the police secours is an emergency service to be contacted in situations requiring the police to intervene immediately. To call police secours in France, you dial 17 17 17. The call is free and the service can be reached 24/7. Numéro 2, les sapeurs-pompiers ou le pompier, the firefighters. The firefighters. Regarde, de la fumée s'échappe de cet appartement. Il faut appeler les sapeurs-pompiers. Look, some smoke is coming out of this flat. You must call the firefighters. Appelle les sapeurs-pompiers ou appelle les pompiers. Now, you can call the sapeur-pompier when someone is in danger. Someone fainted, has a serious injury, is drowning, or in case of fire, road accidents, floods, etc. To call the sapeur-pompier, dial 18. The call is free and the service can be reached 24/7. Le feu, the fire. Au feu, au feu, fire, fire. La caserne de pompiers, that's the fire station. La caserne de pompiers est à côté du cabinet médical. The fire station is located near the medical center. Well, that's handy. Numéro 5, le commissariat, the police station. On m'a volé mon passeport, je dois aller au commissariat. Someone stole my passport. I must go to the police station. Le commissariat. Now, le commissariat is the headquarters of the policiers, who are part of the police nationale and are civil servants, unlike la gendarmerie. Now, that's something else. That's the police station as well. Excusez-moi, où se trouve la gendarmerie la plus proche? Excuse me, where is the nearest police station? Excusez-moi, où se trouve la gendarmerie la plus proche? So you're going to say, but what is the difference between the commissariat and la gendarmerie? Well, la gendarmerie is the headquarters of the gendarmes, not the policiers, who are part of the armed force. So we've got two police forces in France. We've got le commissariat, les policiers, and we've got la gendarmerie, les gendarmes. Porter plainte, to file a complaint. Bonjour, on m'a volé mon téléphone, je viens vous porter plainte. Je viens pour porter plainte. Hello, someone stole my phone, I am here to file a complaint. On m'a volé. Now, voler means to steal. Un portefeuille, a wallet. Again, j'ai signalé la perte de mon portefeuille à la gendarmerie. Now, la perte meaning the loss, ou le vol meaning the theft. I reported the loss of my wallet at the police station. Les papiers. These are documents. J'ai perdu mon portefeuille et tous mes papiers. Ma carte d'identité, mon passeport et mon permis de conduire. I lost my wallet and all my documents. My ID card, my passport and my driving license. Une déclaration de vol. A declaration of theft. Now we've learned vol because I've said it a few times now. On a volé ma voiture. Je dois fournir une déclaration de vol à mon assureur. Now, would you believe me that actually really happened to me? Now, on m'a volé ma voiture. Je dois fournir une déclaration de vol à mon assureur. Someone stole my car. I must provide a declaration of theft to my insurer. Une pièce d'identité, an identity document. Avez-vous une pièce d'identité? Do you have an identity document, an ID? That could be your driver's license, your permis de conduire, ou your passport, ou votre carte d'identité, your identity card. Un formulaire, that's a form to fill out. Veuillez remplir ce formulaire, s'il vous plaît. Please fill in this form. Okay, remplir, to fill in. in. Une agression, an assault, an attack. Toute agression doit être signalée à la police. Any assault must be reported to the police. Une enquête. Now, it's like an inquest. A quest. It's an investigation, that means. Une enquête est en cours pour déterminer la cause de l'accident. An investigation is underway to determine the cause of the accident. Une enquête. Un cambrioleur, that's a burglar. Un cambrioleur s'est introduit dans le magasin pendant la nuit et a volé le contenu de la caisse. A burglar broke into the shop at night and stole the contents of the cash register. Un voleur. So you can imagine we've done the word voler quite a lot. Now, voleur is the noun a thief. Au voleur, arrêtez cet homme. Thief, stop this man. My dear, I'm not sure we would say that. Au voleur, do we still say thief? I'm not sure. You just run after him or you don't. Un blessé, an injured person. Allô, venez vite, un arbre est tombé et il y a un blessé. Allô, hurry up, a tree has fallen and there is one injured person. Il y a un blessé. Numéro 18. Gardez son sang-froid. To keep calm. Monsieur, gardez votre sang-froid, s'il vous plaît. Une ambulance arrivera dans quelques minutes. Sir, keep calm, please. An ambulance will arrive in a few minutes. Une ambulance. Évacuer, to evacuate. Les campeurs ont dû évacuer le camping en raison des risques d'inondation. The campers had to evacuate the campsite due to flood risk. Le camping and les risques d'inondation. The flood risk, okay? Évacuer, to evacuate. Coincé, to be stuck. Être coincé. Mon chat est coincé dans l'arbre. J'ai besoin de pompiers. My cat is stuck in the tree. I need the firefighters. Mon chat est coincé dans l'arbre. J'ai besoin de pompiers ou des pompiers. And to finish, l'hôpital. Hôpital, that's the hospital. Ils emmènent mon grand-père à l'hôpital. Il a eu une crise cardiaque. They are taking my grandfather to the hospital. He had a heart attack. Une crise cardiaque. Okay, that's it for me. Check out my other survival videos. And if you want the support guide available with this lesson, remember, sponsor me. And you will have lots of different perks and things like that. Subscribe and click the notification button. Au revoir. À bientôt. Bisous, bisous.